Good evening, everybody. I thought I'd do a quick little ETH update as well. Some of our members of our Discord group prefer to trade ETH rather than BTC. So this one's for them, I guess. But it's also maybe there's a lot of people out there that are interested in ETH and the Clarity Act and how it's going to go and how that's impacted the chart. Make sure you drop some comments in the section down below if you think the ETH is going to have good from the Clarity Act, or if it's going to harm the chart, or if it's going to ruin it for everybody. Drop some shit in the comments for me. Let me know. But because I really don't have an opinion on it, to be honest, so I'd like to see what you guys have got to say about it. So today, ETH's obviously followed Bitcoin. It's broken structure to the downside. It's continued to go down further today, and it's now at a critical level here. I've taken a scout long here just to see. It's a high time frame level. There's a 4-hour support. It's on a 1-hour support. It's just a scout long. I'm not committing to going to the moon. Maybe I'll think that it's going to go to the moon. I don't know, but it's certainly got no low time frame support. All the structure is to the upside. So is it time to start stacking demands to the bottom and taking out the supplies? Possibly, but let's have a look. So 4-hour, like I said, it's hit this level. I've taken along. Only it's low risk. If it drops down here and continues down, we've got vectors and liquidity hanging here. That one's gone. That's been taken. But there's another cheeky little bugger down here. And that's sitting there ready for it to be taken. We haven't really got a protected zone in this area underneath. The best we've got is here. We've come in, created the demand, tapped it, and rocket ship. So that was the last level. So 2014 is the next target. Or first target is here. 2116. If it drops that level, straight back to demand. So I think that it could fall a little less than most, given that Bitcoin is if it's dumping pretty hard, but ETH hasn't gone up as much as everything else has. It's sort of been the slow laggard through here, like I've been mentioning in the last couple of weeks. Just here, it started already rolling over early, didn't have any momentum or speed to fall through, but so hopefully it doesn't fall as far. But we've created an extra 4-hour supply above. I would think maybe we come down here, get this vector, pop up, make another supply, get ready for another leg down, or we can bounce here or bounce there and make our way up again. So, yeah, let me know what you think the Clarity Act is going to do, because I'm really curious with Ethereum. I'm interested to see what Tom Lee? Tom Lee, I think Tom Lee. He's the ETH guru. He's BMNR. See what he comes up with. I look forward to that. I like that project. So 1 hour, same thing. It's bounced. We look at the vectors and the liquidity all through here. A little bit more down here. It's all exactly the same as the 4-hour chart. It's all there waiting for the taken, and that's that level there where it's had a liquidity grab. So we want to retest this level now. What does that look like from price action? 1972, 2176 down to 1972. So that's on the 1 hour. Let's have a look at it on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 4-hour and check it out. That's what it looks like. That's where that 1 hour support is. And you can see there, it's created it. Liquidity grab. High chance it's coming back here. High chance it's coming back here. So 1967. But like I said, you say we're not going to go up. If we've got to look with our system, and if you don't know the system and you want to know the system, join our Discord group, free Discord group. And then we've got free Zoom to trade with live all day, every day, normally. Sometimes no one's in there. Sometimes a lot of people in there. You come and join the group. All the links are in down below, and you'll find out what liquidity we're chasing, because that's what we're doing. All right. So we're looking targets here, here, here. Oh, what's that? Who did that? Who did that? This one. there. So look, on its way, if it wants to come back down and retest this level to make it a secure level, it doesn't have to fall far, like seriously. And it would still be, if it hits this level, it's still a higher low. And you can see a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and off we go again. And I tell you, if these coins, these big coins, Bitcoin and ETH, like I just said in the Bitcoin update, if this is going to come down here and make this our sort of new range that we're working in, this is going to be awesome trading season, guys. Awesome. And yeah, I can walk you through it all in our Discord group. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Being told to say that more and more. So our group is growing, and I thank every single one of you who's jumping on board. I love having you in there. The more interaction that you have, the more you'll get out of the group and the more it'll grow. So yeah. Anyway, back to ETH. There's a shameless plug. So 1 hour, definitely breaking the structure downwards. It's just constant. Like I said, taking a long off this structure here. Stop loss straight under there. Quick invalidation. I ain't hoping for nothing. It's just a scout to see, because you never know. We might come up and get these vectors that's left behind. Vector up here, vector here. Might only just be a small bounce to here, but reduce your expectations. That's daily open there, so it might just come up, clean up today's liquidity, and then go sideways and build another demand and another supply, and then we've got a sandwich again. And that's ideally what we want to see, because if we've got structure to work with, it gives us a better entry point, and it will give us a clearer direction. Because to be honest, to get any shorts in there, you're struggling. All right, you're really struggling. There might have been one. Let's get rid of all this mess. Let's have a look and see if there was one that we could have got here. So we can see it break down through the, oops, wrong color. Sorry, guys. Oh no, it's a 1 hour chart. My bad. I'll go to the 15-minute. So the entry was there at supply if you wanted to short. And you can see the compression here. Compression under supply there. Turned bearish, bang, there's our entry. Like, whoops, over she goes. And you can see if you wait and you're patient, you wait for the right entry. If you want to learn how to get the right entry, come into our Discord channel for sure. Links are down the bottom. But as soon as you get the valid entry, bang, away you go. The trade just happens. There's no hanging around and waiting for it to pull over. You just wait for the right signal and you'll get it. And you guys that are in our Discord, you know where the right entry was there. Zooming in, you can see which candle it is. All right. I don't think I got too much else. So our Discord channel, if you go and join our group, just make sure there's nothing important on the screen. Don't want to incriminate anybody. So here's our Discord group. We've got help and support, daily market updates, there's news, there's trade setups, share your wins. We do a lot of prop firm trading. We've got Bitfunded token lists that we can use in Bitfunded. We've got indicators that I've made especially for our strategy. There's the strategy modules in the education section, strategy snippets, just little things that I do. We've got a general chat, meme corner, mindset matters, bullpen, where I put in my alerts of what I'm watching, what I'm looking for. Alan's got his trades that he can put in there now, which is a new channel. And yeah, there's plenty in there. And don't forget the free community Zoom. So it's a Zoom link in there, and passwords in there. So there you go. Welcome to Discord if you get in, eh? I don't know what else to tell you. Otherwise, wait for a valid entry. Like I said, high time frame. Have a look for a bounce there. And yeah, tell me what you think, ETH, in the comments. Tell me how you think ETH's going to go with the Clarity Act. I need some education on it, and I don't want to go to Twitter. I'd rather go to the hardcore ETH people. All right, guys. As per usual, wasn't financial advice. Thanks for watching, and see you in Zoom. Bye.